welcome to this video. My name is Larissa, and today I decided to do this video to tell you everything you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement before you actually buy this product. So if you really want to know how is the treatment, what are the ingredients, few alerts and much more, I will highly recommend you to stay with me until the end of this video. I promise I'm gonna be really brief and directly to the point, okay? So let's start with the most important thing, where you're gonna find Ikaria Lean to purchase. Guys, today this product is only sold in the official website. So to help you out, I'm leaving the link under the description of my video. And this is really important because you may find Ikaria Lean in other marketplaces. But guys, you cannot guarantee that whatever is inside is exactly what the producer is selling, since he's the only one authorized to sell this product. What it can happen? It can harm your body if you get something that has other ingredients that can harm your body. You can not receive this product in your home and get frustrated, or even get this product but just have like a placebo effect and also get frustrated because you won't get the results. I also realized that when you're like searching on the Google, for instance, a lot of other websites pop up and I'm confused to know which one is the correct one. This is why I left here the link. So you just click and you go directly there with no problems and no worries, because you're gonna be in the correct platform and everything you're gonna read and see, it's legit, okay? So guys, all the powerful, exotic, natural ingredients that are part of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement will be able to transform your body into a fat melting machine and a calorie burning by targeting ceramides from their body. But what is ceramide? Ceramide is a foreigner compound that spill fat cells into your bloodstream after you eat. And then those important organs get clogged with fat, such as pancreas, heart, arteries. Now is when everything is really serious, when your vital organs get clogged with fat, because your metabolism starts to slow to a crawl and your fat burning hormones almost shut down. And this is why Ikaria Lean is totally different for anything you've tried, because it found the root cause of the problem of you having exceed fat and feeling fatigued and tired, because you're gonna target the ceramides and will be able to restore your metabolism and get more energy to spend throughout your day, and also to be able to burn all those fat that are accumulated in those unwanted areas, okay? There are 8 natural ingredients that will help you in this process, and 8 other nutrients and plants that will also be added to Ikaria to help you on your weight loss process. So some of the ingredients you're gonna find and some of the benefits, not only targeting the ceramide, are you're gonna find taraxune, that it's that supports the healthy digestion and blood pressure. It's really good because we will flush out clogged fat by promoting optimal digestion and targeting ceramides deep in your body. Also, resveratrol, that the study shows that it supports reduced fat mass while increasing lean mass. This powerful nutrient also supports a healthy heart, healthy cells, and fights to remove ceramides by maintaining a healthy inflammation response. There are other natural ingredients, as I said, so check it out, the official website, because it's important that you know what you're ingesting and also be happy with all the benefits you can get with Ikaria, okay? And let's go to the treatment, because guys, it's pretty easy. So you just need to use 1 scoop of Ikaria every morning in your preferable beverage. But I gotta tell you something. In order to see results, you gotta do your part. Don't think that just purchasing your product, you're gonna see results. This is gonna be impossible. You gotta stick with your treatment. Do never skip a day for better and faster results. You're gonna feel younger, you're gonna feel with way more energy, have mental clarity, and the most important, fat loss. And before I forget, do never compare yourself. Each body and each organism, guys, it's completely different. This is why there are like many options for everybody. So whatever works for you, doesn't work in the same way to another person. So be patient with your body, be patient with your routine, with your habits. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna get your results, because usually supplements take up to 2-3 weeks to start seeing the difference. Your body needs to get used to those new ingredients. But I'm gonna tell you something that is gonna be like really good. You won't feel pressured, that you can try Ikaria Lean, and if you don't like it and if you don't see results, you can return it. Let me tell you. What if I tell you that you have 180 days, which means 6 months, to try Ikaria, see how it works with your body, and if you don't like the return policy, it's super clear, and even if you use it, that's totally fine, you can return it. But think wise. Why they would give you like 6 months if you can start like seeing difference within like less than a month actually? So it's because it really works. So if you don't like, totally fine. The process is super easy, but I'm pretty sure that you have plenty of time to try and see the great results. Also on the official website, you can see bonus. They have like discounts if you get more products, or even if you get the bonus that comes with complimentary books that will help you with your process. And also in the official website, you can see truly reviews and what people really think about Ikaria, okay? So guys, that's it for today. I really hope I helped with this video. I really hope that Ikaria Lean Belly Juice can help improve your life in many aspects, and I really hope that I helped. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below. It's a pleasure to help you, okay? Bye!